Hi friends, this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design, and today we have the opportunity to work on Aunt Shirley's blueberry bush garden. So we are just going to be cleaning up the garden from the fall and putting up some new posts and fencing to keep the birds out. All right, let's get started. So what we're looking at is the remnants of where the old fence used to be, basically where all of the leaves and the edge of the mud is where the fence used to be. And here we have our blueberry bushes. You can see some of the blooms already starting and some of the buds coming out. They're so cute. I love these little shapes. They're like little bells. And we actually have some, I believe, blackberries growing in here as well. And we're gonna keep those until they get too much, and then we might remove them. So we'll also have to redo the door, and I'm not sure if that's gonna be today or another day, but we've got some work ahead of us. Now we have to cut some PVC in order to fit into the tops of the metal poles. As you can see, we put up all the fencing around just to keep all the deer and wildlife out for now. And then we will zip tie it all together, put the top on, add a door, and we'll be all set. Aunt Shirley's blueberries will be safe. So that was a lot of work, and we still haven't put the door in, but we got the top covered, the sides covered, and the blueberry bushes are pretty much protected from the elements. Thank you very much, Brent.
You're very welcome, Meredith.
That's my brother, and his doggy Axel. So yeah, we'll send pictures of the actual finished fencing.